They say something on the mic. Let me handle the second verse. She in there. Bitch. Smoking cookie crisp. Stupid bitch.
Fuck your clock, I need a gun with bigger tits.
Fuck your clock, I need a gun with bigger tits. Pop that 30, not that 10, I need a bigger itch. Yeah, I got a job for you hoes, but I need a bigger bitch. Let me move that cocaine body zip, hide it by your tits. Yeah, yo rich niggas, we real. All the hoes stop and stare. Louis underwear, maybe a solar flare. Eskimo polar bear, these ain't it right where. Bad vibes over there, in my recliner chair, putting biscotti in the air. Whole lot of gang shit, Q-Tech go bang. Buzz out the brain, buzz on my wrist but guess the name. This is the goodies and run to the bank. Double out truck, pull out. Q-Tech top in the backseat, pull out. Fuck nigga run like a track meet, pull out. Hop out, ain't never knock down. Then I put the top down. Turn up the music, yeah, rock out. I need fellatio, yo, my cock out. I don't trust you, oh, still got my Glock out. I used to stay 2 doors down from a crack out. 6 years later, I was working in the crack out. Niggas ran nigga, I'm twerking in the crack out. I'm smoking extendos and white out. True jeans and Timbos, yeah. My shirt collar polo, yeah. TJ Maxx for the low, yeah. Came along with from those days. I could go back there, I would go there. I had all my bros there. Never mind, I wanna go. Fuck your clock, I need a gun with bigger tits. Pop that 30, not that 10, I need a bigger itch. Yeah, I got a job for you hoes, but I need a bigger bitch. Let me move that cocaine by the zip, hide it by your tits. Yeah, yo rich niggas, we real. All the hoes stop and stare. Underwear, maybe a solar flare. Eskimo polar bear, these ain't it right where. Bad vibes over there, in my recliner chair, putting biscotti in the air. I'm serving on the way, and I'm in all the pain. Milk came with the purse. I'm out my body, give me a Scotty, I ain't coming back to earth. Went out there, Molly, best believe he ain't gon' kill nobody. My niggas don't need no money, if I tell them they kill somebody. Yeah, nigga was good, for all my niggas riding through your hood. Yeah, wish you would, who do you think you are, young should? Yeah, eating them good, leave them laying on the front porch like his house haunted. Roll up wood, pour up mud, and get stood. Where all the real ones go, we the only real ones. When your plays getting away, we gon' kill some. I miss my dog, enemies fall, make them feel us. Stop till we see blood, make them feel the real love. Pain in these veins, bullets tear, leave a stain from the pain in our brains when they took what I gained. Days ain't the same, niggas wanna scream out their name, no reply, so we getting high, plotting on the other side. I need a gun with bigger tits. Pop that 30, not that 10, I need a bigger itch. Yeah, I got a job for you hoes, but I need a bigger bitch. Let me move that cocaine by the zip, hide it by your tits. Yeah, yo rich niggas, we real. All the hoes stop and stare. Underwear, maybe a solar flare. Eskimo polar bear, these ain't it right where. Bad vibes over there, in my recliner chair, putting biscotti in the air. When life gets overwhelming, I just go ghost. They say my life is ever camera, I'm a GoPro. I grew up West Indiana, where it's cold. Yeah, bank's too cold. Jumping like Jordan, but my money talks cool. The house by the lake, just so I can buy a new boat. Look at it that wave, I'm a surf, we don't do both. Still in the yacht club, bro, on the clock club. Shots ain't just behind your line, need a chocolate. Let's take it back to basics, yeah. 5 grand wood, roll it up, face it, yeah. Too damn good, legend in the making. I be set chasing, wasting, daily basis. 999, the whole world we take. Shout out to that boy, Killer Roy, killer in the making. Germany to Illinois, noise we be making. Young niggas running, get the old niggas hating. Picture fools in my label, old niggas picking raisins. I'll get back to them later, I'm busy achieving greatness. First you bought him a laser for glizzy, his aim amazing. Hope you don't get nowhere, we get busy, leave you on the pavement. Kill a nigga, then get over it. Hang a nigga like a ornament. My mind's full of torment. Demons laying dormant.